The PA stands on the Government of National Unity. We are in full support of the Government of National Unity. We support it. It was brilliant. We are part of it from day one. We are unapologetic that we've looked at the balance of forces and we realize the only way forward here is the Government of National Unity. The ones that are criticizing the Government of National Unity are calling us, the ones that are calling us sellouts. I'm a sellout for South Africa. I'm a sellout for my country. They will soon realize that they didn't check the balance of forces very nicely. They didn't see where this country is going. And they will come knocking at the door and say, let us in, the Government of National Unity. You mark my words. Within a month, some of them will come knocking. Please, let us in. They try to be revolutionary now and call people sellouts. How can I be a sellout for South Africa? I'm willing to be a sellout for this country, to work together, to build my country. Government of National Unity does not require arrogance, egos. And as I say again, I'm man enough here today to stand up and say to the African National Congress, I salute them. I salute them for saying, let us share power instead of fighting to hold on to power exclusively. You have to agree with me that there are ministers and there are mayors that's doing a rubbish job, but nobody removes them. We should celebrate it when a mayor gets changed. It shows that we are unhappy. We were very unhappy with Tapelo, the previous mayor. We were unhappy. So instead of making him continue in the post, we said, let's remove him. So when you see mayors being changed, councillors being changed, ministers being changed, I'm going to be a minister. If I don't perform, President Cyril Ramaphosa must remove me. Although I know I'm going to be the best performing minister, you know it, I know it, and they must remove me. That is not my prerogative. It is the president's prerogative. I only have wishes.
Mr. McKenzie, what ministry are you hoping to get at least?
Home Affairs. Home Affairs number 1. Police number 2. Sports number 3. But if I don't perform, I should be removed. And the prerogative is not mine. If I don't get a ministry, we're jumping out of the GNU. Because how will I justify why am I supporting the GNU if I get nothing for my people?
And will it be you specifically, Mr. McKenzie, or the PA as a whole?
No, that one we must still decide. Depending as if they give us Minister of Women, it can't be me. I'm straight. I'm a man. What do I know about women's issues in totality? Then we have got very capable people here. What you must understand is that the PA, if it's not up to us to decide which ministry we want. That's the prerogative of President Ramaphosa. We hope that we can see what the voters have seen in us.